Aussie Diaries.
As we were enjoying the last of our time in Perth, we were delighted to find out we would be in town to see Manchester United's pre-season game here against Perth Glory at the Optus Stadium. I am a United supporter, but unfortunately have never seen them play, and the chance to see them here in Australia whilst we're here in Australia was an opportunity that I didn't want to miss. To make things even more exciting, when we purchased the tickets, we got 2 additional tickets to see Manchester United in an open training session at the Wacker. Now the training session was awesome. To be in a compact stadium with everyone in the crowd being a United supporter gave a really relaxed and fun atmosphere, with a real sense of privilege to see Manchester United, not just here in Australia, but here in Perth as well. Everyone was cheering on the training, and it was great to see all the players so close. Also at the time, it looked like Pogba might be leaving the club, so to have a chance to see one of the best football players in the world was pretty amazing. And he did come over and thank the fans at the end, which was much appreciated. Considering he didn't have to do that, and with all the bad speculation surrounding him at the time, it really felt like it might have been a goodbye. Also, Matto definitely waves at me right here. You see it? See it right there? That's me, he's looking at me. We took up the offer from our friend Jake of letting us use his garage and tools to make a few changes to the van. After losing a fight with a raw potato, Jake was unavailable, so I enlisted the help of my friend Andre. And here we are, going at it at this poor cabinet. I think I'll go over the changes I've made to the van in a later episode when we've lived in it for a bit longer and we know what works and what doesn't work, and I'll be in need of some content when we're on the farm. We did achieve what we set out to do, and with the leave date drawing closer, we're pretty much ready to go. The Optus Stadium is brand new, opening at the start of 2018. With 65,000 seats, a multi-purpose stadium home to the AFL Aussie Rules football teams, the West Coast Eagles and the Fremantle Dockers. But we're here for real football. The game that's played with a ball and you kick it, not like any of these other obscure football games. We're here for football.
Manchester United up against
It was good to see the new shape of how United would line up. With Ollie at the wheel, it's definitely going to be an interesting season. The first half was alright, but in the second half things got a bit more exciting. We made a full 11 substitutions at half time, so we really did get to see the full squad in action. And with Pogba and Rashford on the pitch,
the ball there, Rashford shots! Finds the net! What an instinctive finish!
McTominay got us our second, and we finished the first game of our pre-season tour with a 2-0 win. I even made it onto one of the Full-Time Devils YouTube videos. It was a great evening. Oh, not wearing my bloody scarf. It's so hot in here. I've only got one bloody prop. Alright, well, I don't overly want to redo this whole video. Now I've just remembered my scarf. It was a great evening and probably one of the best memories from our time in Perth. We are almost at the end of our time here in Perth, but we've decided to stay a couple more days for a friend's birthday party, so we'll pick up next episode from there. Yeah, I think it ended that well there, that one. It's definitely an ending.